beauty bob, multifunctional manicure table, various accessories. Let's do our favorite manicure together. Tips need to get wet. Print the pattern on the mold, then stick it on your nail. So beautiful! You can also paste the pattern on your nails with water. More exciting, waiting for you to discover. Nail stickers, rich colors. Tail of the double-sided tape. Paste your favorite pattern. Creative, paste anytime you like. Let's be a beautiful little princess. Wow, so beautiful! I like it so much. Look, my hands are shining. Start a beautiful and happy day.